Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. Now we continue our pre-release material 2210 October November series and variant number 22. Okay, now in the last class or in the last session we completed successfully our task 1. Now in this class we will start task 2. So we have to clearly read the instructions that what is being asked in the task 2. In the task 2, if you see that using the booking system, it means that we have already done some of the steps in the task 1. So we have to take the reference from the task 1. It is said that using the booking system means extend task 1 to achieve the following. Means we have to continue task 1, but we have to do some sort of amendments. And what are the amendments? Number 1 is allow passengers to open an account by generating a unique passenger account number and storing it along with their name in the arrays. Point number 2 is allow passengers to make a booking by first entering their unique passenger account number, the start time of their journey, and a code for each stage of their journey. Also check if the passenger account number already exists. It would be familiar for you guys because we have already done some of the points in the task 1, so we do not need to do much effort in it. And generate a unique booking number for the journey and calculate the total price of the journey without any discount and store the journey details. So we will inshallah solve task 2 in this class. Okay, now following steps we have to do, but these are the familiar steps that we already done in the last video or in the last session, that we generated the variables, we generated the arrays, we stored the values. So these are the things that we have already done in the task 1. So just have a glimpse of it, so it will revise you that what we did in the last class. Okay, we have done this already. We generated variables, we generated arrays, or you can see that these are the parts that are related with the task 1. We have just extended, we are just about to extend it. Okay, so in the last class we solved this till here. We calculated a cost, means we stored and generated the individual journeys, means start station journey, end station journey, and start to end destination. So we have already done this part. Now what we have to do in the task 2, we have to extend it, means from the step number 43 we have to continue our task 1. So from first step till 42 steps it is the same task 1, right? Now step number 43, this is a new part, right? We stored the values. First of all we discuss about the cost, that how did we generate our cost. So we took the variable cost underscore home underscore start underscore station. That was the cost that is used to store the start station. And what was the content of this variable? Home start station price, which includes the code and the home start station. And then we use the code cost underscore start underscore station underscore to underscore end station. Then you can read it from here. Okay, and in the same way, step number 42, we took another third variable to store the cost. Now in the step number 43, we use to take a new variable named total underscore cost, and we add all of these three costs. We add all of these three costs and the total underscore cost variable. Okay, now it is a good technique to generate a unique booking number from date and time. So we are about to store the date and time using the booking number and the date and time variable, right? So we use the repeat loop. I took the variable booking number, which will add date and time, right? And we use a variable checking, and now we use to validate it whether it exists or not. If it is existing part, then until checking equals to true, right? And what will happen if it is true? Booking info index will have passenger account number and passenger name, start time and home start station to end station, and start to destination station number along with the booking number and routine. What if it is false? Then it will not do this step. Now is valid booking number. Now we have to see that valid the booking number is existing in it or not. If booking number is in booking info, then what would happen? Booking number is already existed and it will considered as a false value, so we use the return function, right? Otherwise, if it is true, then return true, means the all procedure will be repeated again. Now we call our subroutine that we created earlier, call passenger account number along with the passenger info and index, and call booking number along with the booking info and the index. So this is how we can do the task 2. I know there are some points in your mind that are not clear, but when you start writing this pseudocode, it will become clear and clear. So it is strongly recommended to try to write the pseudocode yourself. Then these points will be clear, and don't forget to watch the video of pseudocode part 1. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.